Hi friends, this is Sneha from SM Creatives, and today I'm going to show you how to use my graphics as stickers on Instagram stories straight away. So you don't have to use any other app. You can directly use my graphics straight away on Insta stories. First, what you need to do is you need to save the graphic as an image. So here I have it on Google Drive. Just long click on it and save to camera roll. Okay, this way your image is saved as a photo to your galleries like this, right? And you see your image without any transparent background. Next, we'll go to Instagram, start your story creation. I'm just gonna use a white background, just fill it white. Okay, I'm gonna write something. Okay, and now go to your photos app. Okay, and click on the share button and then click on copy photo. Now go back to Instagram immediately and add sticker. You get that option automatically. There you go. You can easily add it. You can move it up and down, resize, whatever you want, and see the transparent background is maintained. Right? So I do this and then you're done. You can just save it, send it to your story or wherever. Okay, so this is how you create stories with stickers straight away from Insta stories. You don't have to use any other graphics app, and you can do this with any of my graphics.